NZDCAD Today Analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about this currency pair, New Zealand dollar against Canadian. Before we get into the technical details, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, because once you watch this video till the end, you would understand that why should you subscribe and like. So this is just not somebody else. This is me, okay? And these technical analysis videos are going to give you when to enter, when to exit idea as well. Because normally people on YouTube, I have seen their videos. They give you an overview that the trend is up or down, and then enter in 4 hour, enter in 1 hour, whatever. Okay. But I think, once you watch the video till the end, you will figure out that should you subscribe to me or not. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button after you have seen the video till the end. And then below we have some links. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. This is for those people who do not want to learn manual trading or they are newbies. So once you click on the link, you will be taken to this page here. You can see I have made these kind of profits. You can take your own time to check everything here on this page. There are n number of proofs. Okay, so all this money was made by using a software. I have done this in the back end. Okay, now I also do manual trading. So to go and check out the first link if you are like a newbie. And the second link says join free Telegram. So obviously you have to go and join my Telegram channel in case you want some free signals every now and then. Make sure you are connected with me on Telegram channel. That's where I will send you the free signals. Okay. And then third link says check out best prop firm and forex brokers. So click on this link, come to this page here, and you will find the best prop firm you can join here. Prop firm is that if you don't have money, for example, you have the skill, you know what to do, you know how to do trading, but you don't have budget. Okay, so budget means you don't have $10,000, $5,000, $20,000, $100,000. Okay, so you get trade with somebody else's money. That's called prop firm, but you have to pass their challenge. So go and check out the prop firm here. This is the best prop firm of this planet. That's all. Okay, rest you can figure out. And if you want to just invest your money and start start trading, then go and check out brokers whichever country you are, UK, Europe, wherever you are. You can go and choose your broker according to your needs. So go and check out these links. Let's get back now and start with some disclaimers. Disclaimer is that my videos are for educational purposes only. I'm not responsible for any of your profits and losses. I have to say that, but I know what I'm doing. Anyways, second disclaimer is I am not here for scalpers and 5-minute traders and 15-minute traders. I might not be able to give you trade signals or interview ideas, but if you watch my video and you get the long-term idea from my video, it will be helpful for you to know in which direction should you be entering your positions. Okay, so let's do the top-down approach with the NZDCAD, starting with weekly time frame. In weekly, we have crossed the EMA, so we are in the uptrend. In daily, we have crossed the EMA, obviously, so we are in the uptrend. And in 4 hour, we have crossed the EMA, which means we are the uptrend. So trend is up. That's the confirmation. Okay, let's check the daily news. Today, New Zealand has been bank holiday and the Canadian is open. So in NZDCAD, only Canadian is open. NZD will open after a few hours. Okay. So let's get back here, which means now if I am coming back to daily chart, okay, and then if I go to weekly chart, so I can clearly tell you in weekly it's going for this, what it's called, this high, okay. So this high is at 85.60, okay. So in weekly means it could take 2-3 weeks. It could take 1 week to reach there. This blue candle or more blue candles in the coming weeks will have to reach until here. Okay, so in next 2 weeks we could say that this NZDCAD will reach up to maybe 8500. Okay, so it could take 2 weeks, 3 weeks, I don't know the time frame, but it would reach until here. Okay, but if you go back to shorter time frames such as daily, in daily, we can see the next blue candle is this. Okay, so for me, the good idea will be to enter after the pullback. Okay, I mean, some people can enter right now if you know what your lot size is. Okay, remember, let me give you a bro and babe tip. Bro tip is for males and babe tip is for females. Okay, so some people might enter right now depending on your lot size. If you know what your lot size is, you can enter right now. But if you use high lot size, get something, do something into your head. You're not supposed to use extra or maybe high lot size. Let me give you a bro babe tip. People will scare you. Don't use high leverage. You will blow up your account. You will lose all the money. Those people don't know the technical specifications. You do not lose money if you use higher leverage. You lose money because you use high lot size. You don't know your lot size, you will lose your money. Okay. So again, example, Accounts with high leverage but very, very low lot size survives. Accounts with low leverage but high lot size blow up. So if you know your lot size, you can enter right now, take some small profits and exit at 8,300, okay? But if you are a swing trader, then you will wait for a pullback in Delhi, okay? So I'll, if I don't want to enter into this position right now, I will wait for a few days. I will wait for a pullback. Once I have a red candle pulling back and then we have a confirmation of blue candle, then I will take an entry and I will go for like 200 pips or maybe 1:2. And you know how it works, right? So coming back to 4 hour, you can see we have a new high. Okay, so previous high is broken, previous high broken, and I am gonna wait for this pullback. After the pullback, I'm gonna enter 1:2 ratio. Cool, good to go, right? So again, trend in NZDCAD is up. Look for buying opportunities after the pullback. Know your lot size. Remember, bro and babe tip, you lose money when you don't know your lot size. Leverage has got nothing to do. Leverage only gives you more time, more flexibility to hold your trades for a number of days and number of weeks to come, so that you don't blow up your account, and then eventually your trades will come in your favor. I hope you understand. Okay. So again, high leverage is good when you use low lot size. Less leverage is useless if you use high lot size. So get that something in your head, okay? Other people will try to just, brainwash you, but this is how it works. You need to know your mathematics, okay? You need to know your technical specifications and you'll be good to go. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe and check out these links, brokers and Telegram. Make sure you join everything and subscribe and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Till then,